Hello everyone. So you want to know that if you want to know that how can transform or how can adding or how can extracting from date to start of month, start of quarter, year, or so many features that you want to in the calendar lookup. So before that we will go to the table view. You can see that in this table view calendar lookup there is a date column. From this date column, this year, start of month and start of quarters are extracting and adding as a new column. So how can I did it? So basically we did it from these things, not these things. We did it from the transformation data, which is actually Power Query, ETL tool. Okay. So you have to understand that in this four view, report view, table view, and for this, these features are not limited here. You have to also understand that so many features are also exist here in the transformation data. Okay, why it is? Because this from this date to we are extracting start of month, start of quarter, and year. These are actually what we are doing. We are doing as a manipulation. We are doing this as a pre-processing data. Okay, so these pre-processing are especially in these features. These features are actually into the Power Query section, which is a ETL tool we have to use here. So you have to understand these functions, where these functions are exist and where these are actually operating or did. Okay, so we will go to the transformation data or transform data. See, this is a Power Query. In Power Query, you can see that these are the calendar lookup. Is this from calendar lookup? This date column to how can this come? So you have to understand what is this transformation functions do under the transformation section, what these functions are do, and what is the add column. Under the add column these functions are do. So you have to basically understand each and everything. So we will, what we have to do is we have to extract this from this date column to year, start of month, and start of quarter, and we have to also set this as a column, these things. So these things firstly as a column we have to set, so that we have to use this add column, because this will be add our column from this date, then we can extract. So that's why I'm coming here the add column section. Next, from this add column section to date function, you can see the date functions. Before that you have to you have to select uh, your column that from where from you extract this year, start of month, and start of quarter. So this date column, first I select this date column, then go to the add column, then date, then year to year. See, you can create this one like that. Like that repeatedly you can do this by selecting this date function. From here, start of month, from date functions you can see that start of quarter. Like that you can do this. See, you can do this like that. Okay, that's all.